Education is a cornerstone of societal progress. Yet, its methods and impact have evolved significantly over time. Hi, I am Jude, and this video examines the generational differences in educational experiences, drawing on interviews with individuals from both the older and the current generations. So we'll ask them some questions and analyze the contrasting approaches to teaching, the influence of technology, and the long-term effect on career paths and personal development. So without further ado, let's start.
A pleasant evening to each and everyone, especially to my beloved guest. I am Jude, and you are?
Percy.
Okay, so thank you once again for your time here. So today, I will be asking you some questions in relation to how was education during your days. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll ask you the first question. So how was the educational experience when you were still in school?
During my time, it's a bit fun. We learn a lot from my professors, teachers.
Okay, I see. So how about the methods? Like, what are the methods commonly used during your days?
The methods is, I think it's a student-centered because during that time, the teachers will truly collaborate. I mean, they collect our the question. I mean, the answers, and not only they're just giving information, but it's a collaborative effort.
Oh, I see. Okay, so for the last question, were there any specific challenges or limitations you faced in your education due to the lack of modern technology?
Yes, during my time, we only have 8 computers, so it's just limited. Where in fact, we have around 1,000 students, so we need to have queuing in who will be the first to use. And, yeah. But even though it's challenging, but we students have the opportunity to really read through textbooks. So with that, it will take time, but for the computers, it's fast, diba? So yeah, so that's it. Thank you.
So for you, so what are the advantages of modern technology?
Well, it will make your life easy. It's because it's just one type, then it will the answers will just pop up.
Oh, yeah, so, okay, so thank you once again, Miss Percy, for your time, and see you next time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time. Okay, so once again, a pleasant evening to each and everyone, and especially to my beloved guest. I am Jude, and you are?
I'm Symphony.
Wow, what a nice name. And today, I'll be asking you some questions regarding to how is education in today's present. So, let's start. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll ask you the first question. So what, in your opinion, what are the biggest advantages and challenges that technology brings in education today?
Probably one of the biggest advantage of technology to education is it's easy access. We can just access to information anytime, anywhere. If we have Wi-Fi connection, we also have our phones with us. So we just basically we have all the knowledge in the world in our hands.
Oh.
Challenges probably is if without a Wi-Fi or without an internet connection, it would be hard for us to access these knowledge. And for students who are native to this, it's hard to be resourceful nowadays.
I see. Good point. So, how about for you, what are the specific technologies or digital tools that you use mostly in your education?
I have my phone. I believe generally all students have their phones. It's a very basic tool for education now. We also have our laptops if we have our personal computer if we are going to work on bigger assignments or like whatnot like that.
I see. So, for you, so how have these technologies helped you improve your learning experiences?
It really helped me a lot because not only that you have all the information in the internet, not only that it's accessible, also have a lot of tools for learning there. So you're not just browsing and reading. You also get to experience learning in different ways because of the tools that are available online.
Oh, okay, so thank you so much for your time, Mr. Symphony. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you so much.
Technology's influence on education is undeniable, shaping how we learn, teach, and interact with information. From the older generation's reliance on textbooks and in-person instruction to the younger generation's immersion in online learning and digital tools, the differences are striking, but the common thread is the constant adaptation and evolution of the educational process itself. So this video has only scratched the surface of this complex topic, and yet there's so much more to explore. So I encourage everyone to continue this conversation, to research further, and to engage in discussions about the future of education in a rapidly changing technological world. So I hope this video has sparked some insightful reflection. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.